If you eat eggs every single day, listen carefully. Most people think eggs are perfect, but that's not completely true. Your body doesn't react the same way as others. And today you'll find out whether eggs are actually helping you or slowly harming you without you knowing. When you eat eggs daily, your body gets a clean source of protein that strengthens your muscles, keeps you full for long, and supports your brain health. Eggs contain choline, a nutrient that improves your memory and stabilizes your mood. They're one of the simplest, most complete foods humans can eat. But here's the twist. Daily eggs can actually be harmful for some people. If you already have high cholesterol, eating eggs every day can push it even higher. If you have fatty liver, too many eggs can make your condition worse. People who experience acidity, bloating, or stomach heaviness often get their symptoms triggered by eggs. And if you naturally feel heat in your body, daily eggs can increase that heat. So how many eggs are safe per day? For normal healthy adults, 1-2 eggs daily is perfectly fine. For people who exercise or go to the gym, 2-3 eggs are okay, but too many yolks should be avoided. If you have cholesterol issues, eating eggs every single day is not recommended. 3 to 4 eggs per week is enough. Most people ask if they can eat eggs at night. The truth is yes, you can. But if you have slow digestion, acidity, or your stomach feels heavy at night, then avoid it. It's always better to eat eggs earlier in the day for smoother digestion. Some people should definitely avoid eggs daily. Those who have egg allergies, those who had their gallbladder removed, people with severe body heat, and people who get acne or oily skin flare-ups due to diet. Eggs can make these conditions worse. So are eggs good or bad? The truth is simple. Eggs are one of the healthiest foods on the planet, but only if your body can handle them. Listen to your stomach, your energy, and your skin. Your body tells you everything. If eggs make you feel energetic, light, and focused, continue eating them. But if they make you feel heavy, hot, bloated, or uncomfortable, reduce them. Health is not one size fits all. It's all about balance.